Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today that is about probability. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for the question number 1, we can use about decision tree. So that means we will have a square in here. So we know that there are 35% of customers that use about iPhone, 35% Samsung, and 30% for Huawei. So they should be like this. Now we have 35% that is for iPhone. So I will put about capital I. 35% of Samsung, I will put about H, and 30% that is about Huawei, so I will put about H. So for the next one, from iPhone, 25% they will purchase additional capacity, so memory capacity, so they should be about the circle. So that means we have 25% they will go additional. That means in this one we have 1 minus 25%. That is about 75% they don't use about additional memory in here. So I will put about M, that's the additional, and M bar, that's the about none. Similar for Samsung. So for the Samsung in here, we will have the square, circle, and that should be about 20% for additional memory. That means 1 minus 20%, we have 80%, and that's about non-additional. And the last one, so we have 55% for additional memory. So in this one we will have 45% of non-additional memory. So on the question A, what is the probability that the next customer who come to this store to buy will order a Huawei-branded device and buy additional memory? So about Huawei, we have 30%, and by additional memory, that's about 55%. So for this one, we just have 30% multiplied by 55%, and we have the probability in here. That's equals to 16.5%. Now let's go to the next one. What is the probability that the next customer to enter this store will purchase additional memory? So that means we have 3 types of customer: iPhone, Samsung, Huawei. They always go to additional memory in here. So that means we will have about 35%. We multiply by 25% in here, and 35% multiplied by 20%, and 30% multiplied by 55%. So we sum all the numbers together, and we have 32.25%. the last one, if the next customer who comes to this store to buy asks for additional memory, what is the probability that he bought the Samsung branded equipment? So for this one, Samsung, that is about this one in here, and we just use about this number in here, we divide this one in here, so we have 35% multiplied by 20%. This is about the customer use about Samsung and they want to buy additional memory over the total customer they use about additional memory for different rent. That's why we have this number in here. So we have the final answer. And that is about 21.71%. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.